Hello traders, I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday, March 4th, here to talk to you about the commodities, the grain markets in particular. We're higher here this morning, so we'll start with that. Momentum's been trading lower, so soybeans were up double digits here this morning. If they can close that way today, that says something in the short term. So we'll start with that commentary. One thing I've noticed, the rallies, they don't last very long, and sometimes soybeans are higher in the morning and lower in the afternoon. So let's see if we can hold our gains here today. Corn market. We really, perhaps a wet spring would be bullish for traders here going forward. Iowa, for example, they've got maybe the most soil moisture in a long time, so you wouldn't have to see some type of recipe where it starts to rain this spring and doesn't stop raining, and if farmers can't get in the field, that's going to be very bullish for the corn market. Corn, the ending stocks in the world today for corn stocks are 209 million metric tons, okay? That's a 30-year high. China controls 54% of these inventories. So here's China again, a big player in the world corn market. We've got to work through these stockpiles, hence demand is the key here going forward. Soybean market, we've got a weekly chart of soybean here for everybody. It's the end of the week. We can look at weekly charts. Look how it is. It's sideways. Something's going to happen. I wish I knew what, but let's keep talking about it. And again, today, soybeans were up 15 cents at one point this morning. They're up 9 cents today. So let's see if they can hold on to these gains. The El Nino, it's being delayed a little bit from 30 days ago. So perhaps this is going to peter out in the second quarter. That would be April to June. And maybe this would not affect the corn crop so much. Keep in mind, corn pollinates in July this summer. Australia, they're seeing warmer temperatures in the Indian Ocean over there. So this weather cycle is really important. We're going to keep talking about it. Commodities, crude oil's trying to get above $35. The stock market's been rallying here. So here's three commodities that are supposed to lead when we do rally back. They are cocoa, coffee, and palm oil. Does that mean that the grains cannot be the ones that rally back? I do not know, but demand is certainly going to be the key. A little comment on commodity markets and hedge funds, institutional traders. You know, the hedge funds have been diluted here in the agricultural sector. They're seeing some interest come back. Institutional investors are seeing an interest back into agriculture, back into the grain markets. So this is for diversification and asset allocation. And if you're interested in commodities or you're thinking about some things, call us here at RJO Futures. Everybody have an excellent weekend. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.